na ako sa sala. And grabe guys, sobrang init. Hindi siya ako hawak kasi. Last na yan. Hi vlog. My baby is so cute. So her name is Caesar and she's my baby. My baby girl. Are you my baby girl? Are you my baby girl? Are you my baby girl? Bigyan natin siya ng treats. Treats? Ah, come, come. Here. Here, Caesar, here. Come here. Ah. Here, come, up, up. Here, up. Caesar. Want treats? Come. Here. So, eto, my gosh. Sobrang favorite niya to. Want treats? Up. Here. Okay. Treats. Sit. Good girl. More? You want more treats? Okay. Wow. Very good. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Wow. Ooh. Want more? Want more? Hi guys, just woke up and my baby is here, so sweet. Nasa ice mo. Sipa ka namin. Wow. Caesar, you hungry? Hi, baby. See how? Wow. Eat. Eat ka na. Eat. Chicha. Ay, hungry na si baby. Okay. So guys, prepare na natin yung food ni Caesar. So, dito ko nilalagay lahat ng food niya. And ito yung dog food niya. So, this is from Pedigree, yung mini adult dog food. Then, nilalagyan ko ng food toppers. And this. So, prepare natin dyan. Alam ko, wala na rin siyang open. Then, ito yung wet food na hinahalo ko sa dog food niya. Ayan. So, here's how I prepare yung food ni Caesar. So, konti lang yung binibigay ko kasi hindi niya rin na-ubos. is pedigree mini adult. And then yung pedigree dog food. Open lang natin. Then, naglalagay lang ako ng 2 teaspoon. And then, yung pork liver powder. And yung moringa food top. Ayan. Tapos, talagyan ko lang ng onting hot water. Ayan. Tapos, I make sure na namimix ko siya ng mabuti. Kasi minsan, pinipili niya. Minsan, dinudurog ko nga itong mga, yung wet food niya. Para hindi niya mapili. Eat! Eat ka na! Are you hungry? Eat ka na! Eat ka na! Yan, dito siya pinapakain din. Nandito yung butter niya. Eat na! Eat na! Wow! Busog na ang baby. Busog na. Ayan. So, tignan nyo guys. Tapos niya yung food niya. Very good. Very good. Say bye-bye. Bye vlog.